Feeling like I'm leaving this place. Feeling like I'm walking my last steps. Look at all of these tears I've wept. Look at all the promises that I've kept. Oh, I put my heart into your hands, and the lessons you teach, no matter where, wherever I am, you're not hard to reach, and you're giving me the best gift that I've ever known. You give me purpose, yeah, you give me purpose. Thinking my time has come to sending out a farewell to my friends, for it please, ask you to forgive me for my sins. Oh, please, I'm more than grateful for that time we spent. My spirit's at ease. I put my all into your hands, and the lessons you teach, no matter where, wherever I am, you're not hard to reach, and you bless me with the best gift that I've ever known. You give me purpose every day. You give me purpose in every way. Oh, you are my everything. Oh, you are my I don't know if this is wrong because someone else is telling me that it's wrong, but I feel this, so let me just try my best not to let this happen again. We weren't necessarily put in the best position to make the best decisions. You can't be hard on yourself, bro. These were the cards that you were given, so you have to understand that these, that's not who you are. You know you're trying to be the best you can be, but that's all you can do. If you don't give it all you got, you're only cheating yourself. Give it all you got, but if it ends up happening, it ends up happening. That's what's happening with me. It's God, I'm giving it all I got. Sometimes I'm weak and I'm gonna do it. And it's I'm not giving myself grace. I'm just understanding that's just how it is.